Are you looking for best M.2 NVMe to USB adapter? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best M.2 NVMe to USB adapter. Number 1. JEYI Smart M.2 NVMe Enclosure, built-in RTL9210B dual protocol 10G high-speed master control theoretical read/write speed up to 1000 M. Support both NVMe protocol and SATA protocol, plug and play, allowing data transmission across multiple devices such as desktops, laptops, cell phones, tablets, cameras, etc. at high speed across platforms and scenes. Compact body with good feel, length only 103 mm, width only 32.5 mm, thickness only 11.5 mm. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 2. UGREEN M.2 SSD Case. The slimline design features a lightweight aluminum casing for superior portability and excellent heat dissipation performance, which provides your SSD with great all-around protection. With the white LED indicator, you can learn the working status of this M2 case easily. Flashing means processing data transmission. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 3. ORICO M2 SSD Enclosure, portable and durable, which is very suitable for driving. Internal SSD is firmly using rubber fastener, and it is not easy to pop up at will. Useful. The SSD enclosure can be used to store your NVMe SSD, and it is very convenient to use, tool-free, easy to assemble, open and lock the case with one click to prevent SSD from slipping out. Compatibility SSD. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 4. GUDGA M.2 NVMe SSD Enclosure Adapter. The aluminum alloy shell increases the heat dissipation area, which facilitates the heat dissipation of the hard disk during work and increases the life of the hard disk. Support USB protocol. Tool-free, easy to use, no need to drive. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 5. HIKSEMI M.2 NVMe SATA SSD Case, high-quality master chip. The M.2 NVMe drive features an advanced RTL9210B chip with short-circuit, overcurrent and multi-protection to ensure the safety of your SSD and valuable data. 10 gigabits per second speed, SATA M.2 NVMe enclosure. Up to 10 gigabits per second high speed with NVMe SSD via USB 3.1 Gen 2, 6 gigabits per second speed with SATA M.2 SSD. Up to 1000 megabytes per second, perfect solution for data transfer and backup. Actual transfer rate depends on SSD speed and USB port type. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.